Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
Right now, we are standing in BKC Jumbo COVID facility. This Jumbo facility is India's first and the largest transit hospital, which was made as the pandemic struck. This was made in the first wave, and now as we are looking at the possibility of a third wave, we are here to know how prepared Mumbai city is to handle it. Right now we have Dr. Rajesh Dere with us. Dr. Rajesh Dere has been spearheading the COVID drive in Mumbai, and he is the in charge of this facility and the other hospitals over here in Mumbai. Sir, first, we need you to explain about this Omicron strain, this variant of COVID-19, how dangerous it is, and the possibility of a third wave.
Let me inform you, in pursuance of this Omicron cases rise, 3 weeks before, we are already instructed by our Honorable Municipal Commissioner, sir, to be completely ready, and now 3 days before also, Honorable AMC has given us adequate instruction. As far as the research are there from UK, US or the South African 8 nations, this is having a good, virulence is more, but as of now there is no such appreciable mortality related with the Omicron cases. Even though we are being asked to be ready by 1st of the Jan, and if you can see already our wards are ready, our registration desk, triage area is ready. We have started recruiting doctors, ward boys and nurses. It would be completed within few days, and we would be ready by 1st of the January if need arises.
Okay. So, you have seen the first wave, the second wave. There was a complete chaos in the first wave as we were hit unexpectedly. Second wave also came, and there were a lot of problems like shortage of oxygen, beds. Are we going back to the same chaos, or are we prepared right now?
No, basically this time we are more prepared. As second wave there was some issue with oxygen supply and crisis, but BKC was having enough oxygen capacity. There was no acute shortage of oxygen at BKC. Over and above that, in last few months, Municipal Commissioner of Greater Mumbai has installed various PSU plants. Maybe if you take example of BKC, we have 5 PSU plant having capacity of 7,500 liters per minute. So that would be enough. I think even though we completely, if you run oxygen bed by this full strength, there would be no much issues here. And from day one, we all know BKC, there was no issues. Our patient discharges are happy. We have one of the best reviews in this country.
Sir, how is this variant, this Omicron variant, how is this different from the other variants? We have seen a more dangerous variant like Delta variant, and it is said that this variant is not, as you say, fatalities are not seen as in the other variants. How is it different?
Undoubtedly, as per the research, this Omicron Delta variant has 30 mutation on the spike proteins.
Yeah.
If you compare with Delta, it was 11 to 12 mutations on the spike protein. But if you compare with the morbidity and mortality, Delta comparatively is more severe in cases of morbidity and mortality. And Omicron, I think there would be no such mortality issues. Minor mortality may be there, but we are ready for any eventuality.
Okay. So it is being said that the third wave will peak by Feb. According to your expertise, what do you think?
Yeah, there are various experts giving their opinion. In my personal view, if we go by this rate, I think last week of Jan we would have significant number. But if people behave properly, then I think the number may not rise to that extent. So I appeal to all these Mumbaikars and the citizens of our country, please behave properly, please have masks, avoid mass gatherings and follow instructions of government.
As you say, we are ready this time. The wards are ready, the oxygen plants have been step up. So, what about the testing?
Testing is going on, na? Testing is already 24/7 from last 1 year at BKC. All the citizens are given free RT-PCR testing. So it is a continual process that was not stopped at all.
Okay, so when you started this BKC Jumbo, it was the first in the state maybe to be set up a Jumbo facility. What is the difference when you started first and now where do we stand?
Let me inform you that BKC is the India's first and largest transit hospital. And when we started, there were many issues, manpower issues. We had no idea regarding how to run a transit hospital because this was first in the country and only second in the world. But now after nearly, I think we are here 18 months, now well accustomed with how to run a transit hospital. So it's easy for us now to run these hospitals.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So that was Dr. Rajesh Dere, who was speaking on the new variant of COVID-19, the possibility of a third wave, and how prepared are we to handle this third wave. He's hopeful that this variant is not as deadly as the previous one, as the Delta or the other variants, and hopefully there will not be any more chaos or panic as we had seen in the first and the second wave. With Santosh Pandey, this is Nazia Syed for Mojo Story, Mumbai.
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.